Welcome everyone in today's video. In today's video, we'll be doing cleaning, making up of beds, and cooking at the same time. Okay. I want to say thank you for always watching my video. For those of you who always watch, thank you for those that have subscribed. I want to say thank you for my new subscribers, and I want to say thank you for the returning subscribers. So right now we'll be doing dishes. Okay, I will just use my soap, my sponge. I will use a mixed water, warm and cold water. That is how I do my dishes. Guys, have you tried this? Try this and tell me later. You will see the difference. And I want to ask, which type of water do you use in your home? Is it only cold water or only hot water? If you use cold water, please put in the comment section. If you use only hot water, put in the comment section. But I will urge you all to try using cold and warm water, and you see how your dishes will look like. Okay. And for all the new YouTubers, the new content creators, please comment down in the comment section and put your handle. I will go to each one of your channel, and I will subscribe and comment. All the new YouTubers, all the new content creators, please, let's help one another. Gather here and help one another. Let's gather together and help one another. Thank you. Continue to watch as I do the dishes. Yes guys, we are almost done cleaning the dishes. Now is the sink. Okay guys, let's comment, subscribe and like my videos. I appreciate you all. The next thing is my trash. I have to take my trash out. Okay, trying to keep the environment clean is vital, important for our health. So my trash can is dirty. My little trash can is dirty, so I have to clean it. And after cleaning, I would like to put a plastic bag in it. Okay, thank you. Continue to watch guys, and you'll see the transformation I will do. New YouTubers, let's gather here and support one another. Put your handle and let's help one another out to subscribe, to comment, to like. And for you watching that you've not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and you will not regret it. Tell me what you like about this video. Tell me what you want me to improve on this video. And tell me what you did in your home today. As for me, I did cleaning. I just show you just a little bit, a little bit of what I did today. I could not videotape everything. Yeah, I could not videotape everything. I was so tired, guys. So I have to do this for you guys. Thank you. Guys, the next thing will be to clean my stove. So I'm done cleaning the dishes. It took me close to 1 hour to clean the dishes, and now I'm cleaning the stove. I'm just showing you the top. Okay, next thing is the room. I just want to make up the bed. Okay, just watch as I make up the bed. Have you guys made up your bed already? Okay, let's see how I do my own bed. And the red thing you are seeing on my bed, this red blanket is an electric blanket. Okay, it's an electric warmer. I don't know if you know about it. If you don't know, please get one for yourself. It's very important, very vital, very cozy and very demure. Okay, So the next thing we'll be doing is to cook, guys. Have you guys cooked for today? What did you cook in your home? I have some soup in the refrigerator, and I decided to make some rice. My water is already on the fire, okay, and it's almost boiling. So I just have to wash my rice and put it there, okay. I wash it with warm water followed by cold water. My water is boiled. I'm just putting in some pink salt. Next, my oil, olive oil. And the next thing will be white vinegar. I love a little bit of white vinegar in my rice. I don't know. Put it in the comment section, guys. Do you guys put white vinegar in your rice when you're boiling them like me? If no, try it and you come back and thank me. Just try it. Everything is for you to try. You will not regret it. Just a pinch. Begin with a pinch. So I'm now going in with my rice. Okay, I'm done putting my rice in the pot, and my pot is bubbling already. It has to cook for about 15 minutes. Okay, guys, my rice is almost ready. Put in the comment section, let me know how you guys cook your rice. Do you use vinegar or not? Do you use salt? Do you put a little bit of olive oil? Try all those. Come back and you say thank you to me. You will love it. Continue to watch, guys, as you will see what will happen immediately after the rice. The rice is ready, guys. It's ready. Please bring your plates. If you know my home, come and eat with me. And if you don't know, you can put your plate in the comment section. I'm just putting soup. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for always watching. Thank you for always coming back to watch. As I said, let's encourage one another. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for always watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Have a blessed week and bye-bye.